There's a young boy that I saw on Instagram that was talking, very prosperous now, but he said that he was targeting me anytime I was traveling as a governor using commercial jets. And then one day, he was lucky. So he sorted out those who used to post air hosts and air hostesses, and they sent him on my flight. So he said when we got to about 35,000 feet, he came dressed in his uniform and told me, Your Excellency, if this plane should crash now, some of you will die as rich men, and some of us will die as poor men. And I said, so, if how do you want to die? Do you want to die as a rich man or as a poor man? He said, I would like to die as a rich man. I said, so what do you want? He said, I have an admission in an aeronautic school, an aviation school in US, but I have no money to go. And I said, as soon as we get down, leave this aircraft and follow me. And he followed me. According to him, not from my mouth, he said the first money that I gave to him was about $85,000. And then he brought two of his friends, and I did the same for them. And their lives changed. But since that day till today, he has not seen me. And now he has children. He's very prosperous. He's doing very well. And he was talking to, I think, Daddy Freeze.
Freeze, yes, sir.
So somebody stumbled on it on Instagram and brought it to show me. So if he's listening to me tonight, tell him that I would like to see him so that he can pay me back some of the money. because in reality, since he has made so much profit, he should come and what did I tell him? He said, how will I pay back? I said, no. When you make it in life, do the same to others.